guys and girls, I'm excited to bring you Tailor by Noriko. Tailor is a lovely A-line bob with the left side that's slightly shorter, and you can see in the back that it's an A-line. And then here at the right side is a perfect A-line that kisses the collarbone. This style features a 100% hand-tied, virtually invisible lace front and a left-hand side hand-tied monofilament part. Well, let's take a closer look at this very sassy, very modern style. Tailor's wig cap features a temple-to-temple 100% hand-tied sheer lace front and a nicely wide left-hand side 100% hand-tied monofilament part. Under this fabric mesh is a moderate amount of permatease, which gives the style its shape and lift. On either side of the cap, you have these fabric adjustable ear tabs. The sides and the back are machine wefted, and they are open for scalp coolness and air circulation. On either side of the slender velour nape are bra-like adjusters that allow you to adjust the circumference of the wig cap up to ½ inch. Here is Tailor. This is a gorgeous A-line bob, the right side being a perfect A-line. Take a look at the back, how beautifully done the nape is, and how it's longer here on the sides. Just beautiful. Now, the cap size on this is average, which fits a head measuring 22 inches in circumference, exactly my head size. Now, this cap fits me perfectly right out of the box with the adjusters on the loosest setting. I don't feel that this wig would work well for someone with a larger than average head size, but if you are a petite average, or average, this will work beautifully for you. The fiber is a high quality Moda acrylic synthetic fiber. It's regular synthetic. It has the feel of European human hair, a dry denier to it, very soft and silky to the touch. I just love Noriko's high quality regular synthetic fibers. Now, the lace front is beautifully done on this style. Take a look at the lace front. Hand-tied, sheer, very well done, as is the left-hand side monofilament part. I really love the parting space. Now, if you wanted to create a little bit of a wider part, you could use tweezers to pluck the fiber along the parting space. Just be careful not to tear the monofilament or pluck too much. Well, let's take a look at this gorgeous style from all sides. The front, right side, the back. I love the movement of this style, very pretty. Left side. Tailor's measurements are 13 inches at the front. The crown is 9.84 inches long. The nape is 2.75 inches long. And the weight on this style is 4.5 ounces, which tells you all of the fiber and density that you get with this beautiful style. This color is red copper. This is a high fashion color from Noriko. It is a mix of copper, red, and bright cherry red. And it has dark brown roots. Well, let's take a look at this gorgeous color outside in natural light. I love Taylor's style right out of the box, so I would wear it as is. But if you wanted to style Taylor, you do have some styling options. This style looks very pretty, tucked behind the ear. Now you have enough length on the sides that if you wanted to pull this style back into a very short ponytail, you can. Because you have this fantastic lace front, you could wear this style off the face as well, securing the top with a barrette, or you can use a headband to create just another fun look. If you're interested in purchasing Taylor, I highly recommend the website pinkeepromise.com. They carry Taylor in all of the beautiful Noriko colors. They have great customer service and free shipping. When you get to the website, on the home page, scroll down to the bottom. Sign up for the mailing list. You'll receive a 30% off discount code good on your first purchase, plus you'll receive email alerts about fantastic sales and wig brand new releases. If you have questions about the style or the color, I'm more than happy to answer. Please leave those in the comments section below. Now, if you wear Taylor, we would love to hear your experience with this wig. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Subscribing is free and you'll receive an alert every time I upload a wig review, color comparison video, how-to video, wig giveaway, and much, much more. Well, thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.